morning, a cute little girl like a mini rocket. As soon as she wears her uniform, it feels like she is passing for a school advertisement. She still zooms on her bicycle. She enters the class so bright that even the teacher's mood improves as soon as the lesson starts. And lunch break ever she eats the style of a master chef. Good she shares with her friends too.
Sky battle. Everybody has their own tree. Alright, everybody has their own tree and they're like climbing around. I have that one. No, it has to be a tree and then here. One of these trees. And everybody gets one thing to like push people out of their tree.
On the way home, if she while riding her cycle, the two of them start their own little roadshow. As soon as she restarts her cycle and changes uniform, she washes her hands, eats her meal, and declares her day complete. Mission school day complete.